Weighing a Wet Sponge by Olivia. My question: will the wet sponge be a lot heavier or will it weigh less than the dry sponge? I think the wet sponge will weigh a lot more than the dry sponge does. Procedures. The steps to do this experiment are to balance the balance, put the dry sponge in the cup and weigh it. Make an estimate. Put the sponge in the cup of water and soak it. Then find the mass of the water. After that, record your data on a piece of paper. And finally, write your conclusion. Finding my data, the mass of the dry sponge was 4 grams. I thought the mass of the water that the sponge could pick up was 70 grams. The sponge can pick up 17 times the mass of itself. The mass of the water was 64 grams. The mass of the water alone was 60 grams. My conclusion. I was surprised because sponges are super light, but not when they are wet. It was about 60 grams more. Wow. Opinion. My opinion was that I thought the experiment was super fun and had very surprising results. The end. Thanks for watching my video on weighing a wet sponge. Bibliography.